Hello and welcome to Snoqualmie Falls. I'm Vlad.
And I'm Habib. Sorry about the bad video quality, but it seems like the mist from the waterfall is getting into our lens. Luckily, we have our cameraman Carlo here to periodically wipe the lens. Thanks, Carlo. Did you know that 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water? Water is the most essential element to life on Earth. But because of its abundance, water, well, is mostly neglected. Look at this right now, the beautiful Snoqualmie River. It's right now a beautiful habitat, but if we keep our business as usual habit, this river will become barren, just like a barren wasteland. Right now, 46% of America's lakes, streams, and rivers are too polluted for swimming, fishing, and for aquatic life. We must put an end to pollution right now before it gets any worse.
That's right, Habib. An astounding 1.2 trillion gallons of waste are dumped into U.S. waters annually. Now that's a lot of waste, guys. Where does it all come from? Well, Habib and I believe that the reason why we have these problems with water pollution is because you, the people, are not aware that the things you do every day actually contribute to half of the pollution that we have in the United States. So here are just a few examples. Littering pollutes. Trash thrown on the ground like this water bottle eventually ends up in our storm drains, ditches, and streams.
Untreated sewage from boats like these is a significant risk to human health and wildlife.
The maintenance of your car. The majority of people that wash their cars on their driveways aren't aware that the dirty soap water gets into our storm drains.
Lawn clippings and yard waste can be unwanted fertilizer for streams and rivers. Too much plant growth can deprive fish and other aquatic life of oxygen.
Household cleaners and chemicals like these can also pollute our streams and rivers.
Garden and lawn chemicals pollute. Many common pesticides have been found in neighborhood streams in Puget Sound.
Oil and antifreeze spills eventually make their way into our storm drains. Here are the things we need to do to reduce water pollution. Recycle as much as possible.
While boating, treat and dispose of sewage properly.
You can take your car to a car wash.
Pull weeds by hand. Use chemicals sparingly and find natural alternatives to chemical pesticides.
Compost your waste and use it as fertilizer.
Use a drip pan to catch all car leaks.
Use a rag to clean up all spills. And remember, use a drip pan when working on your car. And recycle all oil and antifreeze at your local hazardous waste collection facility. Remember, chemicals and waste that are improperly disposed of
eventually make it through our storm drains, which directly pollutes our streams and rivers.
You see, guys, it isn't that hard to prevent water pollution. It's as simple as taking your car to a car wash, not littering, and just recycling. And remember, if we do these things, we can cut pollution in half. That's right, in half. So long, guys. And remember, we're the solution
to pollution.